The Slim Wallet is handy because it doesn't take up much space in your pocket. But how do you store multiple coins in it? Let's find out. Hello and welcome to the second episode of Cool 3D Prints, where I show you awesome and useful 3D printed objects. In this episode we'll take a look at the coin holder card uploaded by Janos_Herc on Printables. The printer used is an Artillery Genius Pro with Octopi and took 44 minutes with a print speed of 16mm per second. The layer height is 0.2mm. The material used is PLA. You'll need about 6 grams or 1.98 meter in total for one piece. The estimated cost at 20 euros per kilo is 11 cents. No support has been used and the adhesion type was a brim. You can search online for versions that can hold other currencies if you're not using the euro. It occupies around 3 cards in the Slim Wallet, so there's still space for other cards as well. Thank you for watching and goodbye.